because my husband is sending me out of the house for a staycation. Why are women like this? I literally don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. And you're going with me. Yeah. This place is scary. My voice is failing. Almost not trying my adventure. Baby, that's it. Oh yeah, now let's go inside. Okay. Baby, for 10 minutes, my address way. Ooh, it's good. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you seeing those balls? I don't even know yet. That's a reception. Oh, this place is fine. Chimoma. Good. Look one. Good. Oh my, it's so beautiful. I like the color. Everything about it is just sweet. Interior design on point. Adesina, they're giving me red carpet. Adesina, who am I supposed to talk to? And hi. Okay, so I think let's close the door. Okay. Let's do room tour before my battery will die. I mean my camera battery. So this is obviously like bath. What do they call this thing? Wardrobe. Yeah, this is wardrobe. Looks good. Just basic wardrobe, ironing board and things. So this is, see me, I've forgotten that I'm supposed to be doing room tour. So this is the, what do they call this? Fridge shower and some things. There's a safe down and there's a fridge here that contains some shekbe. Sorry. In foreign language, because what's shekbe in foreign language? Alcohol, and we don't drink alcohol. We don't do that here. So, yeah. Then before I enter the room, so this is what I look like. Hey, so this is how I came to this hotel. Anyways, I tried that. No, it's not so bad. This mirror is giving. Chai. Woo. Okay, behave yourself, behave yourself. So, wow, this is the bathroom. Look at the toilet though. It's giving airplane. The toilet is giving airplane like it's floating. See me behaving like one DJC. And I've seen this type of toilets before, but what? The toilet is so cool. Like, it looks so good. See the tiles. Yeah, it looks good. What's this bag? Hair dryer, and that's the mirror. This mirror is fine. Ooh, I didn't even see the shower. Wow, everything is just looking good. See shower now. I don't even know say na shower with this. Na glass they use divide them. I almost walked into it. Wow. Thank God they left the door open. One person could go jam head. It says well, but the tiles, these wall tiles are so beautiful. See now. Looks so good. And then the floor tiles. Nice. Very nice floor tiles. So let us go. Are you seeing that area? Just look at the area. Like, it's just for me to sit down. Just say, come and sit down, my princess. Like, it's giving what it should give. So that's what the room looks like from here. See, the way I will spread this night. This is well. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, so this is my TV view. This light standing is just so nice. The floor lights is sweet. It has like the temperature thing here. Then is that like the heater or what they call this thing that is up? Heater something. I don't define English. I don't know. English is not my language. So let's go and see. Not really. English is not my language. Is that balcony or this is just the view? It's view, man. See outside. This one. Is this airport? Where is this place, babe? See view. Man. Like, if they're not terminal for just go pull leg, step out, babe. Now where I go land be issue. Step out, it be like it's in a balcony. Man, wow. See how big this thing is. See now, so big. Like, it's giving full mirror. I don't even know what to call it. See me thinking that there was door on the side for me to go outside. Door no deal. So this is all. Anyways, there's this very nice. See how this roundabout just looks so good. Can you see it? Chai. Finland is fine sometimes. Anyways, is all this commentary for me? Hell. So this is what the room looks like. Looks nice. And yeah. So this is what I'm saying. Can you see it? Breakfast tastes better in bed. Okay, that's true. Kilo day English breakfast 1950 per person. Macagini bread, croissants, served with butter, cheese, slice of turkey, vegetable, natural yogurt. You people should not even annoy me. This wine that they put here now, is it part of the package or they will come and hold me that I'm owing them? Which one is it? They should tell me, or is it for decoration? They even put price. You see, say I took them. It's a price, babe. Say price now. They put price already. Thank God. The wine now, where I talk, see the wine. They put the price, €18. It's wine o'clock. I better hide them back. Man, shift them back where they put them. Who you want to deceive? Says they put them, you no go even see the price first. Says they arrange it in. You will not even see the price. I go leave my like that. Why is and do decoration? Which kind €18 with that? Anyways, Abe wine and Kimbe. How is this cheap, babe? Pick up. Thank you. Alright, good night, yeah? You too, try to sleep. Oh, you have school runs in the morning. Alright. Do you want to eat something? Guess what? I left puff puff in the microwave and I forgot to eat it and I ran out. Alright. Take care, yeah? Good night. Love you. Bye-bye. So, hell, I'm tired. Day one. Is this one is one day one? Half day, I don't even know. But yay! I'm so excited. I didn't even. Oh, this looks so good. I had to wear my jackets because my husband is like, please don't go out and go and catch cold. Go and wear something to cover your body because, you're not driving. You're taking the train. You never know how long, how long the train is going to be out. Like the train, you never know how long you have to wait for the train. So I had to wear jackets over this one. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I'm just going to shower and come and lie down. Right? Yeah. I'll show you guys what I'm up to. I really I have plans where I want to document everything I do apart from shower. I'm not documenting my shower, it's just shower. So I'm just going to shower, and I think for this night I'll just shower and maybe I'll shower and watch What About Us, my pastor's movie, Pastor Apostle Emmanuel Aaron of CCI Global. So I'm going to watch What About Us this night because I don't want to watch it tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to do some content, I want to do something. So yeah, so I'm going to watch What About Us, maybe eat something because I've not eaten. So I came with some food like I can eat this night, just rice and chicken, and I have some cake that my friend made for me, and maybe I'll just eat that now. Then that's after showering, and yeah. Let's go. I need to charge my camera, so see you guys later. Bye. I'm back. I just took a shower and did. Man, that shower was therapeutic. I don't know if it was because of the rain, shower head, whatever it was. It worked. Like, I feel so sleepy, but I'm so hungry. So that's the chicken. Yeah, chicken and some of the cake and the rice. So yeah, rice and some chicken. So I put like turkey, and I was going to have one turkey and I'll keep this one, and then I'll have some cake after eating, and after that I'm off to bed. I don't know if I'm off to bed. I'll probably try to stay up a little bit before I go to bed. I'm so sleepy. Please, what did you put in that shower? Alright, I'll see you guys when I see you tomorrow.